guys, I am back with another video. This is the specification of Sony α7R 4. So let's break through the barriers. World's first 61 megapixel 35mm full frame image sensor built by Exmor RCMO sensor. 15-stop enhanced dynamic range. Native ISO range of 100 to 32,000. 567 face detect autofocus points. AI-based real-time eye detect autofocus and subject tracking. 26 megapixel APS-C mode with 325 PD AF points. Full resolution continuous shooting with autofocus and auto exposure at up to 10 frames per second. 4K Ultra HD video up to 30 frames per second with real-time eye autofocus. In-body 5-axis image stabilization promising up to 5.5 stops of stabilization. Can capture 240.8 megapixel images using pixel shift multi-shooting. Revised camera design including a redesigned front grip. Enhanced moisture and dust resistance. 5.76 million OLED electronic viewfinder. Dual UHS 2 card slots. Digital audio interface through enhanced multi-interface shoe. For professional connectivity and reliability, go ahead with Sony Alpha. And another milestone by Sony. Catch up with another video soon.